Do you know that some of you are sitting on gold, but you do not know? Like literally sitting on gold, but you do not know. Yes, you heard me clear. That gold is called YouTube. That same app you normally use to watch your comedy, prank videos, and normal reels will literally change your life for good if you use it the right way. Let's be honest. Some of you think that YouTube was built for just personal satisfaction, to watch Sabino's video or old Nollywood movies, but you are very wrong. But let me shock you. You can learn literally anything on YouTube. I mean anything. How to cook food, how to bake snacks, how to sew clothes, how to barb your own hair, and even how to drive car. Yes, just the other day I was scrolling on YouTube and I stumbled on a video of someone teaching how to build a house from scratch, like block by block from the foundation stage to the completion. It's here on YouTube, and a lot of persons don't even know of this. Let me tell you something. 80% of the skills I currently have today actually came from YouTube. Back then in university, some lecturers would come to the class, drop formulas on the board, and confuse everybody, and then leave the class. If not for YouTube, my dear, I could have still been in the school right now, looking for how to sort out one carryover issues or the other. We literally survive through YouTube. When I don't understand a topic, I go to YouTube and I find someone explaining that hard topic to me like a 5-year-old child. Calm, visual, and clear. One time during my IT, I only knew how to do solar energy installation. Then someone came for a CCTV installation job and asked, "Can you do it?" I said, "Yes, of course," even though I had never done that job before. That night, I entered YouTube like a madman and I watched tutorials from experts all over the world on YouTube. And by morning, I understood how to connect every camera on YouTube, how to connect the wires, the plugs, and everything. And when I went for the job, boom, I delivered perfectly. And that one job gave me referrals that I still get to today. And imagine if I had said no just because I didn't know it. That's how YouTube has saved my career most times than I can count. And it's not just tech stuff. One day I visited my friend, and when I came to his house, he was baking pancake. I was challenged. I told myself, if this guy could bake pancake, then why can't I bake it? So I went to YouTube, searched for how to bake pancake. And I saw many videos. I watched up to 5 of them. I was like, wow, this is not hard as I imagined. And I just went to market, got the ingredients needed, flour, oil, and basic tiny ingredients. And guess what? I was ready to make mine. And I did it. And boom, my pancake was ready for dinner. Did I purge after eating it? Yes, I did. But at least I learned it. And my second attempt was amazing and perfect. So my dear friend, YouTube is not just for laughter and gossip. You are literally one video away from that breakthrough, that job you have been praying for, and many more opportunities that you have always expected to come. But here's what many people don't know. There are right way to use YouTube. And that's where this video comes in handy. I'll be showing you guys 3 simple ways on how to use YouTube the right way. Step 1, search smart, not hard. When you want to type something, don't just search how to. Be extremely specific. Instead of typing how to sew, you can search how to sew a rounded neck clothes using this type of sewing machine. The more specific in your search, the faster you get the results you want. YouTube is like ocean. If you don't use the right fishing hook, you'll be swimming around videos that won't help you. Step 2, watch at least 3 to 5 videos in that topic. Don't just watch one video and assume that you have mastered it. Even 10 videos is not enough, but at least they will give you the basic knowledge. Different creators explain things differently. So at least watch 3 to 5 videos on that topic calmly. You start seeing patterns, techniques, and better methods. That's how I learned motion design, editing, and even business skills by comparing multiple experts and picking what works for me. And step 3, and most importantly, apply immediately. This one is where most people fail. They watch tutorials like movies, popcorn in the hand, and there's no notebook around them. Sorry, my brother. After watching, practice immediately. Even if it's not perfect, just try. When I learned After Effects, my first animation looked like PowerPoint slides. But I kept practicing. My third video, I could enjoy what I was seeing, and my friends could enjoy it too. Don't just consume, create. So if you're the type of person that says, this thing is hard, though, my brother, stop that. Go to YouTube, type it in a specific way, watch 3 to 5 videos, and apply. YouTube is not just an app, it's a free university that many of you are ignoring. See, a lot of persons think I'm multi-talented and jack of all trades. That's a big lie. I just know how to use YouTube the right way. So the next time you face something difficult, whether it's fixing a fan, editing a video, or marketing your product, just go to YouTube and follow the 3 steps I mentioned. You might just learn something that will open a new door for you. So my dear friend, I have revealed my secret today. So share this video with someone who thinks that YouTube is only for comedy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this page, because subsequently we'll be creating more impactful videos on how AI can help you scale your business and also give you more money. I remain your guy, the guy who learns everything on YouTube. See you next time.